You're watching AI reframe a video clip inside Premiere Pro. No browser tab open, no export, no uploading to another platform. That just happened directly in the timeline. My name is Tech Tutor, and today we're looking at something that honestly surprised me. Higgsfield just dropped a free plugin that brings their entire AI toolkit directly inside Premiere Pro and After Effects. No more going to their website, downloading results, and re-importing everything. That whole back and forth is gone. You open the Higgsfield panel, select a clip, apply the AI, and get the result without ever leaving your timeline. It works on both macOS and Windows, requires Premiere Pro 2024 or After Effects 2024 or newer, and it's completely free to install. Link is in the description. Let's get into it. Now, we are here on the main interface of Higgsfield AI, and if you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up right here. To download the Adobe plugin, you can use the link in the description of this video for direct access, or simply click on Plugins in the top menu, and it will take you directly to the download page. This is the page where you can download the plugin we'll be using in this video. You can click here to download it right away, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at some of its features. The first feature is AI video generation. Simply describe the video you want, and Higgsfield will generate it directly inside your Adobe timeline. Next is AI image generation. Just describe the image you need, and Higgsfield creates it directly inside your Adobe timeline. Moving on, you also have Reframe. With one click, you can convert your videos to different aspect ratios while keeping the main subject properly centered. Next, you can instantly remove the background from any video clip. And lastly, there's Draw to Edit. Simply select the area you want to modify and let AI handle the edit directly inside your footage. The plugin is available for both macOS and Windows. For macOS, you'll download a DMG file, making the installation process very straightforward. On Windows, however, you'll receive a ZXP file, which cannot be installed directly unless you have a ZXP installer. If you don't already have a ZXP installer, let me show you how to get one. Head over to this website, which is specifically designed for downloading the installer. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video as well in case you need it. Once you're here, simply scroll down and you'll see these two options. For this tutorial, we'll be downloading and installing the Windows version. After installing and opening the ZXP installer, this is what it should look like. Next, press Ctrl+O on your keyboard to open your file browser and select the Higgsfield ZXP plugin file you downloaded earlier. Once it appears here, simply click Install and wait for the success confirmation message. You'll also see instructions showing you how to access it inside Premiere Pro. Now let's jump straight into Premiere Pro. I'm currently inside Premiere Pro, but you can also follow along in After Effects if you prefer. I'll quickly create a new project, give it a name, and click Create. I'll call mine Higgsfield Tutorial. There are some sample clips from Adobe over here that I'll be using for this demonstration, so let me select a few of them and click Import. To enable the Higgsfield plugin, go to Window in the top menu, then navigate to Extensions and select Higgsfield. You should see this panel appear. Click Sign In, and it will open Higgsfield in your browser. On this page, simply click Allow to continue. Once you return to Premiere Pro, you'll see that Higgsfield has fully loaded. These are some of the videos I've previously created with Higgsfield AI, and below that are images I've generated using the platform. You can dock this panel anywhere you like, but I prefer keeping mine on the left side. I'll make a few adjustments so it fits neatly without blocking anything important. Now let's start with reframing. I'm going to use this first clip that's currently playing. As you can see, it's currently in a 16:9 aspect ratio. So I'll scroll down until I find Reframe and click on it. Browse through the available aspect ratios and choose the one that best fits your project. For this demo, I'll select 3:4. Then click Generate and give it a few moments to process. This is the result after reframing. You can clearly see how the video has been adapted to the new aspect ratio while keeping the subject properly framed and centered throughout the shot. To add it to your timeline, simply click this icon or drag and drop it wherever you like on the timeline. Now let me test the background removal tool. I'll select the exact clip I want to edit, then enter a description of the subject I want to keep in the video and click generate. As you can see, it successfully removed the entire background while preserving the woman and the people visible in the scene. From here, you can easily place any background you want behind them to better match your project. Now let's try something a little more interesting. This time, I'll use the video generation feature. I'll drag and drop the clip into Higgsfield to use it as a reference, then upload my avatar image. After that, I'll enter a simple prompt. Add a man standing to the right of the woman, cheering and clapping. I'll leave the video model set to Seedance 2, keep the rest of the settings unchanged, submit the request, and give it a little time to process. The result is ready, so let's take a look. This actually came out really well. Higgsfield successfully added the man into the scene and blended him naturally with the existing footage. He's standing exactly where I requested, cheering and clapping alongside the woman, making it look like he was part of the original recording. There's still plenty of other features we haven't explored yet, so in the next video I'll be demonstrating more tools and showing you additional workflows you can create with the Higgsfield Adobe plugin. So that's all 5 tools inside the Higgsfield Adobe plugin. Reframe for aspect ratios, remove background without a green screen, upscale for sharper higher res footage, draw to edit for inpainting, and edit video for natural language edits, all running directly inside Premiere Pro. A few things worth knowing before you install it. The plugin is free. You will need a Higgsfield account and the tools run on credits, same as the regular Higgsfield platform. So check the plan options and make sure you're on the right one for your workflow. To get the plugin, click the link in the description. It takes you straight to the download page. If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel. And if you have questions about any of the tools, put them in the comments and I'll answer them. See you in the next one.